know that feeling when a customer reaches out frustrated, maybe even a little angry, and somewhere in your team, someone is scrambling, searching through emails, asking around, did anyone follow up on this? That tight feeling in your chest, that quiet fear that someone is going to fall through the cracks. We've all been there. Running a business that people depend on is deeply personal. Every customer who contacts you is trusting you, trusting that you'll listen, that you'll remember, that you'll come through for them. And when that trust breaks, it doesn't just cost you a sale. It stays with you. Because you care. That's why you're here. But caring isn't always enough when your team is overwhelmed, when messages are coming from everywhere at once, when nothing is quite connected. Imagine instead waking up in the morning and knowing, actually knowing, that every single customer who reached out yesterday got a response. That nothing slipped through. That your team isn't drowning, they're actually ahead. That's not a fantasy. That's what the right Helpdesk system feels like from the inside. When every customer request comes into one place, regardless of whether they emailed, called, messaged on social media, or filled out a form, your team stops chasing and starts helping. There's a calm that comes with that. A confidence. When tickets are automatically assigned to the right person, no one has to wonder whose responsibility it is. There's no awkward silence. No blame. Just clarity, and people who feel set up to succeed rather than set up to fail. When your team can see the full history of a customer's journey, every conversation, every issue, every resolution, they stop making customers repeat themselves. And customers feel something powerful in that moment. They feel seen. They feel like they matter. When managers can see what's happening in real time, which issues are piling up, how quickly things are getting resolved, where the gaps are, they stop reacting and start leading. That's a completely different feeling. That's control without micromanagement. And when your customers get automatic updates, a simple message saying, "We've got your request and we're on it," something shifts for them too. The anxiety lifts. The frustration softens. Because now they know someone is listening. Your support agents start their day knowing exactly what needs their attention. They end their day knowing they actually helped people. That matters more than most of us say out loud. Burnout fades when the work feels manageable. When the work feels meaningful. Your customers stop dreading reaching out. They stop expecting to be ignored or passed around. They start feeling like your company actually has its act together. And that trust, that loyalty, that's priceless. And you, the person responsible for all of it, you stop carrying that quiet weight of, "I hope nothing fell apart today." You stop hoping. You start knowing. This isn't about software. It's about the feeling of running a business where people, your customers, your team, and yes, you, actually feel taken care of. That's what a great Helpdesk system gives you. Not just tickets. Not just dashboards. Peace of mind. Pride in your work. And customers who come back, not because they have to, but because they want to. Let's talk about what that could look like for your business.